car which runs on Bluetooth. I made it using ESP32 and Arduino Nano for sounds. ESP32 is used to drive the motors, 2BO motors, and there is a wheel, caster wheel, attached to the front of the car, and these two motors are 100 RPM. It has a motor driver L293D and charging ports, one charging port, one switch, and two boost converters for the motor and the speaker. In the app you can just move forward, backward, left and right, and you can also stop, and you can produce sounds too. I have installed the sound in Nano. Now let's see how it works. I'm pushing the forward button, moves forward. I can stop and turn left. I can also produce sound by pressing the button. This is the interface of the app. These are the 4 buttons for controlling the car, and these are the sound buttons. This is the stop button. You can make the app using the website MIT App Inventor.